was I going to say?
I'm so sorry.
It's fine.
I just wanted to come and say hey.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here,
welcome to the club, pal.
And as you read about today's title, you already know what to get into, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this video. So today I'm going to be doing a flexirodset set, and the last video I posted, I ended it off looking like and as you all can see, still the same thing. Now, I know I told y'all that I'll probably do a style the next day. I'm just a little too tired today to do a style, so I'll probably do a style tomorrow. But here we are like a whole week later. I've been procrastinating to say the least, and so after I did my hot oil treatment and deep conditioning situation, I really just didn't feel like doing anything else to my hair. And I've been walking around the house with this on top of my head literally for a week straight. So I decided today is the day where I need to actually get up, do my hair, style it, and do all of that. So I haven't done anything to my hair, literally. So in today's video, you don't have to use these exact products if you don't want to, but if you are following me, this is what I'm using. I'll be using the Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Then I'm gonna go in with some Wetline Xtreme Gel. This is the green top. This ain't the black top. I haven't tried the black top yet, but a video about that or on that will be coming eventually. Of course, water. I probably should have said water first, but of course you don't need water. Well, if your hair is dry like mine, because I didn't do mine once I got out of the shower. It's okay. And then you're gonna need flexirods. Mine is in the CVS bag. It's just regular orange flexirods. I got the flexirods from my local beauty supply store. I did not get the flexirods from CVS, but it's just in the CVS bag for storage purposes. Okay. You will need, unfortunately, a Denman brush. Now, I don't like using Denman brushes, and y'all know in all my videos I use a Tangle Teezer. Well, if you didn't know what kind of brush that was, it's called a Tangle Teezer. Because this brush pulls my hair out. And I don't really like it because detangling, it makes detangling harder for me. But for this hairstyle, you want to make sure your hair is as smooth as it can be so that your curls can kind of be all together and look uniformed. So, unfortunately, you will need the Denman brush. So yeah, I don't recommend this brush at all, but just for this hairstyle and like perm rod sets, you probably will need to use a Denman brush or some type of brush that smooths the hair out. Yeah, y'all just pray with me because this process may take a little bit longer since I am using a Denman brush and I have to be more careful with it, okay? Now that is over, let's really get into this video. So the first thing you want to do is get your water. You're just going to spray the section. After I spray my section with water, I get my detangling brush. And then I'm just going to literally start at the ends and work my way up. Luckily, my hair is already detangled actually since I never touched it. So this makes detangling not so much of a headache. So now I'm gonna go in with my Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie and put it on this section. I'm getting the ends as well because that is actually one of the very important things when doing a flexirod set, is to make sure your ends are moisturized with it, because you don't want no fuzzy ends when you take the flexirod out. Now I'm gonna go in with the Wetline Xtreme Gel. I am gonna put Wetline on the ends too. Now this is when your flexirods come into play. So you're gonna take your flexirod, you're gonna start at the bottom of your hair. You're just gonna wrap it around the flexirod. Then you're just going to literally
loop it.
Just like that. That's basically how you do it. I'll be back again with another demonstration on how to do it after I finish the back and middle section, and at the top part I'll show you how to do it again. So now I'm at the top section of my hair. I'm going to show you all again how to do this flexi rod set. You're going to get your flexi rod and you're going to put the hair on there and just wrap the end of your hair around it. Then you're just going to twist the flexi rod up your hair. Then at the top, you're just going to fold it down. Go all the way down, get my middle finger, and have the hair in between my middle finger and index finger, so I can loop it around. Just like that. And then you're going to go up. Then once you've gotten to the top, all you do is you just flip it down so it can stay. I finished putting the flexi rods on my hair. I'll let y'all know later how many flexi rods I used, just in case y'all want to know. So now I'm about to go sit under the dryer for however long. I'm not going to tell y'all yet how many hours because I really do not know, but I'll insert a slide to tell y'all how many hours it ended up being for my hair to be completely dry. So stay tuned. This is what my hair is looking like. It's looking very much, very fresh, very new. Not the way I want it to look because the shape is kind of funny. what I'm going to do is I'm going to stretch my hair out during the day, and I'll probably be back by tonight to show y'all. But yeah, this is mainly what it looks like. You don't have to stretch your hair out if you don't want to, but that's just what I'm gonna do because yeah. So I'm gonna stretch my hair out. I'll be back later tonight, and I used 29 perm rods. For those of you who want to know the exact number of perm rods I used, my hair was mainly dry for the most part. Of course, like the bottom 2 sections, of course they were still a little damp or whatever, but that's just because the dryer couldn't go all the way back there. And I'll be back later tonight to show y'all the stretched out results. This is what my hair looks like now that it is stretched out. And as you all can see, the body, okay, the body. I don't know about y'all, but I like when hair looks kind of older and doesn't look too fresh. That's just on me. Other people may be able to do it, but I can't. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.